Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to learn how I do my wing liner right here, then please keep on watching.
So I already did my brows off camera. So the first step you want to do is lay your liquid liner on the outer corner of your eye and flick upwards to follow the natural shape of your eye. Then you want to go ahead and create a triangle for that sharp look. So you want to slightly hover over the line that we just created and connect the dots so that we can create that triangle. Then from your inner corner, you want to go ahead and create an outline by connecting the line we just created from the inner corner to the triangle. Then using the flat side of the liquid liner, you want to go ahead and lay it against your eyelid and fill in the outline that you just created. So quick tip, whenever I do my liner, I like to use the flat side of the brush and lay it against to fill in the outline. But when it comes to the tip of the liner, the triangle part, I always like to use the very tip just so I can be more precise. So right here, notice that the liner is not as perfect as can be, so I'm just going back in and evening it out. Don't be afraid to go back in if you notice any imperfections to fix it up. So here's the final look of the liner, and here's the look with the lashes.
So I hope you learned how to do my wing liner, and if you guys want to see any other videos, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!